A very good morning to all my students. Welcome to Narana Live classes. I'm here again with a new assignment related to the chapter Fire, Friend and Foe. First, we'll read our question. To burn paper or a piece of wood, we heat it before it catches fire. We generally do it with a lighted match. Every fuel has a particular temperature at which it burns. Now see, these few lines are given here. We already read them. Now we'll see what we need to do next. The verbs in the simple present tense are used when we are not thinking only about the present. Means it doesn't necessary that every time if we are using verb of simple present tense, that is simple present. Now see, we use it to say that something happens all the time or repeatedly, or that something is true in general. We can use verb of simple present tense in these sense also, where something happens all the time, or something happens repeatedly, or that something is true in general. Now what you need to do here, find 10 examples of verbs in the simple present tense in the text fire, friend and foe, and write them down. Do not include any passive verbs. What you need to do here, just find out 10 sentences from the chapter and write them down in your notebook, and do not use any passive verbs. Few examples are given here. We'll discuss them. See, our first sentence is, fire is the result of a chemical reaction. Yes, it's a general truth. Fire is the result of a chemical reaction. Our next sentence is, this is what we call fire. What? Fire is the result of a chemical reaction. This is what we call fire. So both sentences are here in present tense. And here we are not thinking about present tense only. Here these sentences are general truth also, or it is scientifically proven that fire is the result of a chemical reaction. Now let's move to the third sentence. To burn a piece of paper or wood, we heat it before it catches fire. Of course, we need to burn. We need to burn. If we need to burn anything like paper or wood, first we need to heat it. Otherwise, it will not catch fire. The next one is, oxygen comes from the air. Everybody knows this. It's a scientifically proven and a general truth also, that oxygen comes from the air. The next one is, it is sometimes said that fire is a good servant but a bad master. It's a general truth. Till then, fire serves you. It's a very good servant. But once it became master of yours, it can destroy you. It can destroy lots of property. It can destroy anything. So, it is good servant but a bad master. It's a general saying. Next one is, the third way of putting out a fire is to remove heat. Fire, what fire requires to burn? It needs flash point. Every kind of fuel is having its flash point. If we reduce that flash point, it will automatically put out. Now the next one is, we spend millions of rupees each year in fighting fire. It's a general truth. We are spending millions of rupees every year. So it's a general truth, and here again the use of present simple tense. The next one is, it absorbs heat from burning fuel. Fire absorbs heat from burning fuel. That things help it to burn, continuously burning with the help of fuel, fire. So it absorbs heat from the burning fuel. The next one is, it only means that fire is very useful. Of course, fire is very useful. We cannot imagine our life without fire. It's an essential part of our life. The next one is fire is still worshipped in many parts of the world. Yes, that is also true. If we are doing any yajna, any havan, we need to burn fire to complete our worship. So, fire is still worshipped in many parts of the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.